Guys, good morning and happy Tuesday to everyone. And today's video, let me share with you my newly purchased 4 snails and 4 shrimps for my aquarium. So please join with me. So now here it is, guys. This is my where is it? Okay, this is the snail. The snail actually is moving. He's looking for food, and I have here one more here, small one, and I have two of this kind of snail I have, and two of this kind also I have. So the other one is on the, see, as you can see, he is in this side. He is in this side. See, as you can see, he's there next to the pump, and this one is looking for food. Beautiful, isn't it? So this is our snail. Actually, we purchased this last Sunday. So for one snail, we paid 10 dirham. Let's say in Philippine money, it's 120 dirham peso. So this one we paid each. So we have four of this. Four of the snail, two of this kind, and two of this kind. This is quite big, and this is small actually. And for the shrimp, we have a small shrimp. Actually, normally they hides on the leaves, on the plants. I will try to show you. So you can see. Have you seen this one? This is shrimp. Okay, and this one also is a shrimp. There are four of them actually. There are four of them. So this is as closer I could get. This is the one shrimp is there. This is the shrimp, and another one more is here. As you can see, the eyes is here. This is the one shrimp, and the other two, there should be in the same spot, but I couldn't find them. And this is my betta fish or fighting fish. So normally for fighter fish, you must be wondering why the fighter fish in the same place with my other fishes, because these fishes that I have, this is guppies, and I don't know what kind of fish is this, and this fish and this blue fish. Actually, these kind of fishes are suitable to put in one aquarium along with the fighter fish or betta fish. So they are okay, they are not fighting so the fighter fish are not fighting with them. So that's why it's okay to put them. As you can see, guys, start eating. And the other one is here. He's climbing now. So maybe some of you might wondering why we have a snail in our aquarium. Well, I'll give you the one reason. Our main reason why we have purchased our snails, it's mainly because snails really helps to make your aquarium clean by eating those fish waste, some dead plants if you have, and some algae. So they are like scavengers. They are eating what is left over. So it's really a good investment. If you have an aquarium, you better get one or two. I think 2 snails will be sufficient, because right now we have I think this is a 5 liters aquarium, but we have like 4 snails, 2 big ones and 2 small ones. And for the shrimp, just like that, we want something different in our aquarium because the shrimp comes in different colors. We have, I think, yellow, orange, red, and I don't know what are the other color. So we just want something colorful inside in the aquarium. So that's why we purchased those shrimp. Then yes. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you to my next one. Please stay safe.